Work the glutes a little bit. Is she a gym girl again? Is she a gym girl again? But I don't like looking fluffy. Tell me it's been a minute without telling me it's been a minute. Hi. Hi, everyone. Hi. Y'all been gone months. It been months. But I'm back just a little bit. Just a little bit. I've been at the gym, but I've been working out at home. I've been a home workout girly with a little bit of hot yoga thrown in. Let's just rewind it back. If you're new here, or if you're not new here, I'm Asia G. I do like workout stuff with a little bit of lifestyle, fitness, and just a bunch of other stuff. Just a plethora of stuff. Just whatever, just like my little mojo. Sometimes it's motivational. I try to be. I'm not sure how good I am at it, but I try to be. And if you do what? If you try, that's what counts. See, that's my motivational. See, tell me how that work. So today is Monday. We're going to start this Monday off right. We're going to start this thing off right. We're going to go to the gym. We're going to do a quick little workout. Just a quick little workout. Because long workouts is what burned me out from this gym. And editing burned me out. It's a lot of work to edit. Which I ain't complaining about because I bought the laptop, I bought the software, I set up the YouTube channel, editing is a part of it. We are back today, and that's going to be enough talking because I'm a minute in, and I just want to talk out of this because I missed you guys. And when people get on the end of the like, oh, I missed you. Listen, what I'm saying is I miss sharing. I miss sharing stuff that nobody in my current circle really cares about. Like, they care about it, but not enough to like talk about it incessantly, which I want to do. And I don't want to bombard them with the things that I'm super duper excited about. You know what I'm saying? Like, they want to hear it, but they don't want to just talk about it. And it can live on the internet and people can comment on it. And I like that. I like it. Let's go do a really easy breezy workout, and I'll see y'all in there. I'm so excited.
Yeah. Hey. What up, Joey? What up, John? This is Johnny. Yeah. I tell you, baby, I've been burned out. Let's spin the wheels and leave a burnout. If I stay here, I know it turns out bad. Wondering when it is my turn. Now I'm getting away. I tell you, I've been burned out. Let's spin the wheels and leave a burn.
We're going to keep this workout simple with all the exercises that I just like to do. Because it's our first day back in the gym. In about at least a month, maybe a month and a half. Work the glutes a little bit of squats, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of talking. Also, have y'all ever tried the cherry slush pre-workout from Alani? I usually only ever buy Ghost pre-workout, but this cherry slush is like my favorite in the energy drink can. And so I got it in the pre-workout, and it's muy delicioso.
If I stay here, I know it turns out bad. Wondering when it is my turn. Now I'm getting away. Hey.
Face is black from the back of a white bed.
Let's do another full body exercise. I think I want to do 6 exercises. So this is my second set of 2.
Trying to my back on the cash, but it might tempt me. Everybody telling me chill, but it turns out I've been trying to for years and still never learned how. All I see is a million stories, I'm trying to finish them. I'm living an existence that never needs no embellishing. I'm building out a legacy others dream of just visiting. To when they say my name, there is nothing close to a synonym. Let me in. I used to scream at the establishment, imagine that there's someone or something holding me back from it.
Let's move on to the second set of why did I come to the gym today? The second set of why did I go? First of all, why is y'all crooked?
Instead of putting my hand out begging for scraps, I say fuck the beating path, I'ma busting via the back. Now instead of hit your ride, I'ma slide to the destination.
Oh yeah. All right, last set. We're gonna take a seat. Cause one thing about working out at home is the heaviest dumbbells that I have are 30s. Then I got a 40-pound kettlebell. So being at the gym, have access to heavier weights. It worked the shit out of me. We gonna punish myself just a little bit more because ain't nothing wrong with a good punishment in the gym. We're gonna do some Bulgarian split squats. And I'm trying to think of the second exercise I wanna do. Because, listen, y'all, look, I had to cross my legs. Clearly, I'm taking a break. Because I'm making this up as I go. So I need a second set. Maybe I'll do an arm row since I'm here. Let's get to work. Where we at? We may go over 45, but we're not going over 50. So let's get the move.
I'm sorry I kept you waiting. Still I got a lot of troubles. I'm trying to figure them out. All I know is I would rather blow up than fizzle out.
I tell you, baby, I've been burned out. Let's spin the wheels and leave a burnout. If I stay here, I know it turns out bad. Wondering when it is my turn. Now I'm getting away. I tell you, I've been burned out. Let's spin the wheels and leave a burn.
Oops, you think I'm in love, that I'm sent from above. Innocent. I really wish I remember all the choreography. So oops, I did it again. Cause Brittany, baby, in the red cat suit. And I'm doing these Bulgarian squats. Woo, straight up and down. And it's working my quad. If I was leaning forward, it would be working my glute, but I'm doing them straight up and down. So it's a quad workout. I'm moving straight up and down, which makes it a quad. If it was a glute, I'll be leaning forward, moving this way. Yeah, I feel my glute like that. But we quad working that today, so no leaning.
If I stay here, I know it turns out bad. Wondering when it is my turn. Now I'm getting away. Hey, hey, double shot espresso awake with the tempo. Mornings arrive with the type of energy.
We finished in 56 minutes and 21 seconds. Guess how many calories we burned? Am I in focus? Guess how many calories burned? Guess. 315. Let me make sure this right. 315 active calories. Oh. Is she a gym girl again? Is she a gym girl again? My new mode that I really want to do is gym, run, hot yoga, home workouts. Well, I won't even say gym. Basically, weighted workouts, whether at the gym or at home, because I'm not going to box myself in. So weighted workout, gyms or at home, running, hot yoga, because I just bought a 3-month membership hot yoga, so I know I'll do that. Then I'll go, of course, cardio. And while I got y'all here, sequestered to the TV, I seen this thread that said, this girl was like, I wish I had saved her. She was like, lifting weights and bulking is just not for her. She said she just can't stay at being fluffy. She said she had to do more cardio. She said because she just couldn't take it. And that resonated with me. Like, I like lifting, but I don't like looking fluffy. You know, I got a little something. But babe, I feel fluffier when I'm lifting and doing less cardio. I mean, like, of course. So I'm just gonna have to go back to being a cardio girl who lifts instead of a girl who lifts and does cardio. A cardio girl that lifts and do a little bit of yoga. I like it. I like that for myself. It feel like me. Okay, feel like me. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. I am back-ish today. It's just like my first day back in the gym. I was glad that I did it with you guys. And it was just like a cool little quick dumbbell workout. And 315 calories, I think that's what I said. That's like awesome. Only thing I got left to do is like a little bit of cardio. And I'll do that at home, or I'll just go walking on my breaks at work. Either way, I'll get those steps in. And I will see you guys next time, and we will catch up more. This was just a quick run through to see how I feel about it. So let's see if I actually get this edited. And if I do, then hey y'all, hey, I'm Asia G and I'm here. Come back to the family. Come back to the family. I'm sorry I left you. I'm sorry I left you. What's the rest of this song? Is it Stay by Jodeci? I feel like it's Stay by Jodeci. Stay by Jodeci. I'm sorry I left you. I will see you guys next time. And until then.
I've been out of my head, can't